Hey, good afternoon, everybody, wherever you may be. This is Ferris on the 27th of January 2023. Ferris Friday it is today, and we are already about halfway through our ride. We had 25 riders turn up today, which is sensational. For the last day, I think, of our school holiday period. I imagine half of them probably back to work next week. Shh, work. God help us. Anyway, let's go and see who's here. 25 to start with. Hope you're enjoying your day, and happy Australia Day for yesterday, wherever you and your family and friends got to. I hope you had a wonderful day. Let's go and see who's here today. Got 25, might even be 26, I think. I just heard someone say. Hey.
Morning.
The official Ferris video presentation.
Official.
The official one, yes. Good morning, everybody. Bikes and people everywhere. Look, all having a wonderful day. You can see how green it is in the background. It's been like this all the way through kind of Seaham, Clarence Town. We came through Wirragullah. Hang on, I'm getting a bit of traffic over here. What's going on? But yeah, sensational day today. Greenery everywhere. We had a bucket load of rain and showers and storms last night. I've been lucky enough to be camping at Stockton. Heading back there for lunch today. We'll get everyone settled at the Boat Rowers Hotel in about an hour from now. So whatever you're doing today, enjoy and take it easy. See you next week. Ferris out.